Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your recommendations on the Temu app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, let's open the Temu app, and here we have to scroll down a little bit. Here we find this scrollable line, or I don't know what to call it. And here you can tap on recommended, bestsellers, and 5-star rated. But we are interested about recommended. And basically here are all the items that are recommended for you. Obviously, this is going to change based on what you search for and what your interests are. These are just some random stock things that most people buy. But that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.